In the untamed wilderness, survival hinges on an intricate dance of strength, cunning, and surprisingly, surrender. This delicate balance is what keeps the ecosystem thriving, ensuring that no single species dominates entirely. Animals, unlike humans, rarely engage in battles to the death. They understand that the cost of such conflicts can be too high, risking injury or death that could jeopardize their survival. Instead, they have evolved a remarkable strategy known as the surrender policy, a set of instinctive behaviors that minimize bloodshed and maintain the delicate balance of nature. This policy includes a range of actions, from submissive postures to vocal signals, all designed to de-escalate potential violence. This innate wisdom allows animals to navigate conflicts with a keen understanding of the potential costs. They weigh the risks and benefits, often choosing to back down rather than engage in a futile struggle. It is a testament to the power of natural selection, where survival often depends on knowing when to fight and when to yield. This strategy not only conserves their energy, but also ensures their long-term survival and reproductive success. The surrender policy is a fascinating aspect of animal behavior, revealing a depth of intelligence and social complexity that we are only beginning to understand. It shows that animals are not just driven by brute force, but also by a sophisticated understanding of their social dynamics. By observing these interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of the natural world. Each encounter, each decision to surrender or stand firm, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that surrounds us.
Animals, in their constant struggle for survival, have an innate understanding of the risks associated with fighting. Even for the victor, a physical confrontation can result in injuries that impair their ability to hunt, attract mates, or defend their territory. A broken limb or a deep bite wound can be a death sentence in the wild, leaving the animal vulnerable to predators or starvation. Therefore, animals carefully weigh the potential costs and benefits of engaging in a fight. This risk assessment is not a conscious calculation, of course, but rather an instinctive response honed by generations of evolution. Animals that were overly aggressive and prone to unnecessary fights were less likely to survive and pass on their genes.
Unlike humans who can be driven by ego and abstract concepts of honor, animals prioritize survival above all else. The need to eat, reproduce, and protect their young dictates their actions, and unnecessary risks are avoided. This pragmatic approach to conflict resolution is evident in the behavior of predators and prey alike. A gazelle will not hesitate to flee from a lion, even if it means appearing cowardly. Similarly, a lion will rarely pursue a gazelle if the chase seems futile, conserving energy for more promising opportunities. This focus on survival over ego is a key factor in the success of the surrender policy. It allows animals to avoid unnecessary injuries and ensures that the fittest individuals survive to pass on their genes.
In the animal kingdom, size and strength often dictate the outcome of a confrontation. Animals are acutely aware of these power dynamics and will often avoid fights they are likely to lose. This is particularly true when there is a significant difference in size or weaponry between two individuals. A small male lion, for example, would be foolish to challenge a larger, more dominant male for control of a pride. The outcome of such a fight would be almost certain, and the consequences for the challenger could be fatal. This ability to assess the strength of an opponent and avoid unwinnable battles is crucial for survival. It allows weaker individuals to live another day and potentially reproduce, ensuring the continuation of their genetic line.
Section 5. The Dance of Dominance. Establishing hierarchy without harm. While outright battles are relatively rare in the animal kingdom, animals frequently engage in displays of dominance to establish their place within a social hierarchy. These displays are crucial for maintaining the structure and order within their groups. These displays can range from subtle gestures, such as a slight change in posture or a specific look, to more overt shows of aggression, like growling or physical posturing. However, they rarely escalate into full-blown fights, as the risk of injury is high and can be detrimental to both parties involved. The primary purpose of these displays is not to inflict harm, but to communicate strength and deter potential challengers. This way, animals can assert their dominance without engaging in dangerous physical confrontations. A wolf pack, for instance, is a prime example of this behavior. Within the pack, there is a clear dominance hierarchy that is respected by all members. At the top of this hierarchy are the alpha male and female, who lead the pack and make crucial decisions. This hierarchy is maintained through a combination of body language, vocalizations, and occasional displays of aggression. These methods are effective in reinforcing the social structure without causing significant harm. This system of dominance and submission helps to maintain order within the group, ensuring that each member knows their place and role. By establishing a clear hierarchy, the likelihood of conflicts over resources or mates is significantly reduced, promoting social harmony and cooperation within the group.
Section 6. Clear signals. The language of submission. Crucial to the effectiveness of the surrender policy is the ability of animals to communicate their willingness to submit. Over millennia, different species have evolved clear and unambiguous signals that convey defeat and a desire to end the conflict. These signals serve as a vital line of communication, preventing fights from escalating unnecessarily. By recognizing and responding to these cues, animals can avoid serious injury and maintain the delicate balance of their social structure. This intricate language of surrender is a testament to the complexity of animal communication and the subtle ways in which they navigate their social world.
Section 7. The Lion's Maneuver, a show of vulnerability. In the African savanna, lions are the apex predators, ruling their domains with a combination of strength and an aura of invincibility. Yet even these majestic creatures understand the importance of surrender. When a lion wishes to signal defeat, it will often expose its vulnerable throat to the victor. This act of submission is a powerful gesture, acknowledging the dominance of the other lion and ending the fight before it escalates. The lion offering its throat is essentially saying, "I yield, I am at your mercy." It is a testament to the lion's understanding of power dynamics and its willingness to prioritize survival over a futile fight.
Section 8. Canine communication, exposing the underbelly. Dogs, descendants of wolves, have inherited a similar surrender policy. When faced with a more dominant individual, a dog will often roll onto its back, exposing its vulnerable underbelly. This submissive posture is a clear sign of defeat, communicating a complete lack of aggression. By exposing its most vulnerable area, the dog is essentially placing its life in the paws of the other dog. It is a powerful gesture of trust and a plea for mercy, effectively ending the confrontation. This behavior highlights the depth of social intelligence in canines and their ability to resolve conflicts peacefully.
Section 9. Benefits of surrender, ensuring the survival of the species. The surrender policy, with its emphasis on minimizing risk and avoiding unnecessary injury, provides significant benefits for the survival of animal species. By limiting the number of fatal fights, it ensures that more individuals survive to reproduce and pass on their genes. This is particularly important for species with slow reproductive rates, where the loss of even a few individuals can have a significant impact on the population. Moreover, the surrender policy helps to maintain social stability within animal groups. By establishing clear dominance hierarchies and providing a mechanism for peaceful conflict resolution, it reduces the likelihood of chaos and infighting.
Section 10. Conclusion. Harmony in a world of conflict. The animal kingdom, often perceived as a brutal arena of survival of the fittest, reveals a surprising truth: the power of surrender. In the wild, conflicts are inevitable, but the way animals handle these confrontations is both fascinating and enlightening. Animals, guided by instinct and honed by millennia of evolution, have developed a remarkable system for navigating conflict, minimizing bloodshed, and ensuring the continuation of their species. This system is not just about fighting, it's about knowing when to stop, when to back down, and when to show submission. The surrender policy, far from being a sign of weakness, is a testament to the intelligence and adaptability of the animal world. It showcases their ability to prioritize the greater good over individual dominance, ensuring the survival of the group. It reminds us that survival often depends not on brute force, but on the wisdom to know when to yield. This wisdom is evident in the way animals establish hierarchies, resolve disputes, and maintain harmony within their communities. By observing and understanding these intricate behaviors, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature and the remarkable ways in which animals have adapted to thrive in a world of challenges. Their actions teach us valuable lessons about coexistence, resilience, and the true essence of strength.